This 2023 Cruiser RV Stryker ST2613 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Cruiser RV is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.